In this lesson, we'll resize the photo and place it in the rule of thirds so the head is a little bit inside of the title and away from the articles on the side. Next part is we need to take this image and put it underneath all of the lettering. And let's resize it and put it where we want it. If we go to the image size, we'll see that our design is 8.5 by 11 inches and the resolution is 300, which is perfect for printing. We talked about this in an earlier week in this class. Click OK. So the image is just a little bit smaller than the design, but that's okay. We can upscale it and it won't look that bad. Command T to transform. I'm going to bring the image up a little bit like this. I want to put the person's hair inside the word contrast and then click on the bottom right square and drag to make the image bigger. I may have to do it again. Bring this up here and then take this toggle right here and drag it to the right and then move the person down just a little bit. That's a good position for the person. We'll need to move the lead article and we'll take the articles on the right side and make them smaller and add a UPC barcode on the bottom. Let's press return. Double-click on the hand tool to center in the preview area. This lesson will continue in the next video.